What's the meaning of coziness? Coziness. Coziness.
Coziness. Coziness. Coziness refers to a feeling of warmth, comfort, and relaxation, often associated with being in a cozy environment or spending time with loved ones. It's typically characterized by a sense of ease and contentment, where one can feel fully at ease and free from stress or discomfort. A cozy atmosphere can be created through various means, such as comfortable decor, soft lighting, and warm clothing. Overall, coziness represents a state of well-being and security, and it's a sensation that many people strive to achieve in their daily lives.